Today I will teach you how to generate custom reports in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to navigate to the Reports module at the left side. Click the Reports module. After clicking, a variety of generate options will appear. Each option has a specific task or subject of generation. We cannot cover all of them in a single tutorial, so we'll just select one option. But note that all options follows the same step of generating. At this example we'll use income statement. The step that we need to do is select the date range that we want to generate. Once done, you can choose between two options, namely HTML and PDF. If you want to have a copy of the generated document, click the PDF button. But if you just want to view a particular record, click the HTML button. We can observe that the system accurately compiled and calculated the income statement within the set date range. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.